What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Last year, we made a video about the best service businesses for you to start in 2019. The video is our second most viewed video on the channel, and you guys really took a lot of value from it, so we thought that we had to make one for this year. Guys, please go down and give us a like. It really helps us out a lot. Anyway, let's get into the video. Number 1, computer training for kids. Having the ability to effectively use a computer has become basically essential in our daily lives and has pretty much taken over every industry that you can work for. Many parents are thinking ahead and enrolling their children in computer courses. This can be anything from basic computer skills to basic coding skills or even learning different programs. If you consider yourself proficient in computer skills, teaching children or anybody that needs the knowledge can be a great side hustle for you. Be sure to stay organized and develop your own curriculum. I would also recommend to develop some sort of measurement to see how far your students have come, like some sort of interactive test. It would be most cost efficient to make this business mobile, not renting out a venue, making it mobile and traveling to the homes of these kids. The way you're going to want to advertise is obviously to the parents online through different Facebook ads and whatnot. You can upcharge your clients by offering to teach their kids new, different programs, and you can charge them however you'd like. You can either charge it by a course, like maybe $200 for a 3-day, 1-hour-a-day course, or you can charge them hourly, say $60 an hour. And believe it or not, people will pay this. The reason parents may not teach their kids themselves is because they might not know the technology well enough, or they might just not have the time nor patience to deal with it. Number 2, voiceovers. Are you the man with the golden voice?
When you're listening to nothing but the best of oldies, you're listening to Magic 98.9.
Seriously though, if you have a great voice and are well spoken, you can sell it. That's right, many advertisers need voiceover artists to go over their visual commercials or for audio ads such as in podcast or radio, and if you have a good voice for it, they can pay lots of money. Many forms of entertainment also require voiceover acting. So if you have an experience in acting and you have a good voice, that's a perfect combination. Guys, there are a lot of people who make a living off of their voice. You're definitely going to need a high quality microphone though, because even if your voice is absolutely angelic, a bad microphone will make it sound unprofessional.
Your voice is like a combination of Fergie and Jesus.
A good starter mic is the Blue Yeti. It's only $130, and I will put the link in the description. No affiliate commissions, for just putting it in the description for you to check it out. I would recommend posting your voiceover service on a site like Fiverr, where you can put mock videos of your voice. A lot of people are on Fiverr doing voiceovers, and they are raking in some dough. You can charge your clients by words or time, whatever it might be. Say 1 to 30 words can be $10, 30 to 60 words, $15, whatever you want to charge, whatever you think is fair and you think people will pay, charge it. Keep in mind though, Fiverr does take 20% of the sale. So if you'd rather set up your own website and try to get people that way, you can do that. It's going to be definitely more difficult if you're not established, but it's always a possibility. Number 3, mobile laundry. Having your laundry taken care of is every elder's dream. It could also benefit anybody without a washer or dryer, or anybody with the extra cash to get rid of the chore. All you need for this side hustle is a washer, a dryer, and a way of getting around. And there's a really good chance that you already have all 3 of these things. Obviously, the only skill that you're going to need for this side hustle is being able to wash, dry, and fold clothes, and you can charge them based on load or pound. I would recommend charging them by the load. Keep in mind the cost of doing a load of laundry, washing and drying, is around $1.25 a load. That's taking into account detergent, water, energy, machine use, all of that. You also need to take into account gas costs as your expense because you're going to be traveling to and from your client's home. Generally, you should charge your clients $10 per load or more. And let's say you charge $10 per load and you average 20 loads per week across all your clients. That's $200 in revenue every single week, and it's very high profit. You're probably going to profit over $150 in that week. Getting repeat clients is vital, and you can target these clients through Facebook. I would target moms again and elders. Number 4, creating music videos. Where's all my SoundCloud artists out there? No, but seriously, there are so many music artists nowadays, it's crazy, and they want to stick out. They want to be the best, and they will pay whatever it takes to have a well-made music video for their songs. If you are talented in both video editing and filming, this is the perfect side hustle for you. All you're gonna need is a good video editing software and the proper filming equipment. You could end up making tons of money on just one project. Artists may either want you to just edit the videos that they have already filmed, or they might want to do the whole thing with you. They might want to go out with you, film at different locations, and then you can edit it. Obviously, you're going to charge more if you go through all that. As with all creative services though, people are going to want to see some examples of your work before they hire you. So again, I would recommend making some mock videos of your work, showing the different effects that you can do, maybe even getting some clients for cheap so you can just have that work in your portfolio. Music videos can range in price from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars, ranging in price dependent on your skill level. If you're a beginner, I would generally charge anywhere from $250 to $750 per video. It also depends, how many effects you're gonna be doing, how long it takes you, how long the video is gonna be. There's a lot of different factors, but at the end of the day, you can choose what you charge and the client can choose whether they buy it. Lastly, number 5, portrait drawings. If you're artistic and excel at freehand drawing, you can make some real money doing what you love. People love caricatures. If you ever walk down a busy touristy destination like a boardwalk, you've probably seen plenty of people offering caricature drawings. But luckily nowadays, you don't have to go out to a physical location to offer your services. You can do it all online through social media. People love having pictures drawn of themselves, of their loved ones, and nowadays even of their pets. And if you have the skills to make it look realistic and really good, you can charge them lots of money. Again, you're gonna want to have some examples to show your future clients, and you wanna get really good at it, right? Because this is a pretty competitive niche, pretty competitive side hustle here, so definitely get really good at what you do and then start finding clients. Keep in mind, these are great gift ideas, so the holidays are gonna be big for this kind of business, so you might even want to start doing these or solely do these around the holidays. Be sure to use social media. Social media is your friend with all of these, but especially this. Generally, the way you charge your clients is dependent on the amount of subjects in the picture. So a subject can be, a person, a dog, whatever. So let's say one subject you can charge $100, 2 subjects can be $150, 3 subjects can be $175, and so on. You can also upcharge your clients by offering different framing options, or you can say, hey, I'll draw in the background if you want for $50 extra, whatever you want. There's all sorts of upcharges that you can do in creative side hustles. Guys, that about wraps up this video for service business ideas for you guys to start. These are all really good, creative, unique ideas, I think. I really hope you guys took something of value. Please go down, again, hit that like if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, comment some new ideas for us, and I will see you guys in the next Business Buzz video.